If your mind has been running, your heart has been heavy, and peace feels far away, take a moment with me. This simple Hawaiian healing prayer can bring you back to calm, one breath at a time. Anxiety shows up when our thoughts spiral, when we feel out of control, or when the past and future drown our present moment. It tightens our chest, fills the mind with noise, and disconnects us from the peace that is still inside us. Through oponopono, using the 4 healing phrases, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, we gently speak to the anxious part of ourselves. We soothe it, reconnect with it, and guide it back into harmony. This prayer helps clear the emotional tension and invites calm back into your mind and heart. So welcome. If your mind has been restless and your heart has been carrying more than it knows how to hold, this space is for you. In this moment, you don't have to fix anything or figure anything out. You are simply here to breathe, to soften, and to allow healing to happen. Through the Hawaiian practice of Ho'oponopono, we'll speak gently to the parts of that feels anxious, overwhelmed, or unheard. Together, we'll return to balance, peace, and inner clarity, one phrase at a time. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Again, breathe in and let it go. Let your shoulders soften, let your jaw relax, and let your belly loosen. For the next few minutes, there is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be, and nothing you need to solve. Just breathe, just be. Feel the support beneath you, feel the air entering your lungs, feel the present moment holding you safely. Today, we practice Ho'oponopono, the ancient Hawaiian prayer of forgiveness, reconciliation, and cleansing. We repeat 4 healing phrases: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. We speak them to the parts of ourselves that feel anxious, afraid, overwhelmed, or forgotten. We speak to them with gentleness, compassion, and honesty. Let this be the moment of reconnection, a return to yourself. Bring your awareness to the anxiety inside you. It may be a tightness in your chest, a knot in your stomach, a heaviness in your head, or a restless energy that you can't quite describe. Wherever it is, honor it. You don't have to fight it. You don't have to push it away. Simply notice it gently. And now we begin the prayer. Speaking to your anxious mind, to the part of my mind that feels anxious. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the moments I ignored you. I'm sorry for the times I tried to silence you instead of understanding you. I'm sorry for the pressure, the stress, the fear you have been carrying. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for not listening sooner. Please forgive me for being hard on myself, for the worry, for the self-doubt, for the overwhelm. Thank you. Thank you for trying to protect me. Thank you for alerting me when something felt uncertain. Thank you for doing your best, even when it felt uncomfortable. I love you. I love you exactly as you are. I love the frightened parts, the tense parts, the parts that don't feel good enough. I love all of you. Breathe and let those words sink in. And now bring awareness to your body, the heartbeat, the breath, the subtle vibrations within you. To my body, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the tension you've been holding. I'm sorry for pushing you past your limits. I'm sorry for the stress I have stored within you. Please forgive me. Forgive me for not resting enough, for not slowing down, for expecting so much. Thank you. Thank you for carrying me through every moment, even the difficult ones. Thank you for continuing to breathe, to heal, to adapt, to love me even when I forgot to love you. I love you. I love you for everything you are. I love you for everything you have survived. I love you for staying with me. Take a deep inhale and exhale slowly. Let your body soften. To my anxiety, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for fearing you. I'm sorry for fighting you. I'm sorry for misunderstanding your purpose. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for seeing you as a threat instead of a signal that something within me needs love. Thank you. Thank you for alerting me, for trying to keep me safe, for pointing out what needs healing. I love you. I love you for what you are trying to do. I love you for being a part of me, one that I am learning to understand and embrace with compassion. Take a deep breath in and exhale completely. Let the energy of forgiveness move through you. Let the warmth of gratitude fill your heart. Let the softness of love settle into every part of your being. You have just cleansed, healed, and soothed the layers of tension within yourself. You have reconnected with your mind, your body, your inner child, and your emotions. Feel the calm that's opening inside you. Feel the lightness. Feel the clarity. You are safe. You are held. You are supported. And you are loved. May peace fill your mind. May love fill your heart. And may harmony return to your spirit. And may you always know your worth, your strength, and your inner calm. Take one last deep breath in and gently release it. When you are ready, open your eyes. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And write down below in the comments, I am healed.